Welcome to this screencast. We are looking at image resolution, and this is something you are going to have to research and apply in your coursework. What are the standard resolution for images used for high quality print? Anyone? No, not the file format. The resolution, please. 300 what? 300 pixels per inch. Correct. And then, what is it that you said, please? Instead of, you said, you gave me the file format. What did you suggested? TIFF is a suitable file format because it's not compressed. Good. And then the resolution used for images on websites. What did you find in your research? 72. What's the unit?
Pixels.
Yes, pixel per inch. And then while we're doing file format, can you give us an example of file format that are suitable for use on the web? Please? JPEG. And then there was another one. PNG, correct. Now, the next question that you will have to explain and that you need to be aware of in your work is what happens if you zoom in on a picture. Over here, we've got an example of an image that zoom in so much, it doesn't look so good anymore. What word can you use to describe an image looking like this? Please?
Like low quality?
We don't know because maybe it's been zoomed on much further than what the purpose of the image was intended for. But when you see an image that looks like that, it's pixelated. So that's a really good word to use in your explanation. So pixelated. And if we look at this example here, if I zoom in a bit more so it's more obvious on the screen, what they've done in this tutorial, they showed you an example of an image at 72 ppi, another one at 300, and when you zoom in on a small portion of the image, you can see that the one at 300 looks better. That one starts to look pixelated. We no longer really know what is going on in that image. The last question has to do with the size of your image file after you export them to file format for print or file format for web. What did we found this lesson when we did that? What do we see here about the file size for those different images? File size, what's going on with it? Please, yes?
So the higher quality the image, the bigger the file size.
Yes, so high quality print will take a lot more space than the image that have been saved at smaller dimensions and using a file format for use on the internet. Is it a problem to have a large file for an image that is meant for high quality printing? Why not?
Because it's a TIFF file, so recommend.
But what is the purpose of an image that is meant for high quality print?
It's not really going to be used much unless it won't likely to be used for printing.
That's really good. It's only going to be used by the printer first to check if the image is the right one and then to send the image to the printing machine. Meanwhile, what happens to an image that is uploaded onto a website? How is that image being used? Please?
It's like run through lots of people and they use it, so that's good for you.
So all the people who access the server where the website is used to view the web page, that image will have to be sent over the internet, downloaded onto their device, so that increase the usage of a network, possibly slow it down. Maybe you're going to see some buffering on your own connection, and that is not what most people would like to achieve when they are using an image for use on the web. Thank you very much for your participation, and all of this is of use to you in this coursework, in your research, in your planning, and in your creating. Thank you.